be this one like this. Been through many things, many gist. Though I still find my peace, mole. I do like say me, I know they see. Like see, I know they hear. Which kind person be this? Oh, wouldn't be this one like this. Been through many things, and like I ain't Genesis. I've been dealing with frenemies. Survivor, Bionicba, money chaser, faster than a bullet, flying like a rocket. Bad man will never rest, king of south and the west, faster than a car. One vape on me side, faster than the band. So, Ijebulo lewe, so bad vibes on the ground. Reading my sound, I'm so vibical. I don't look at the wonder tonica. Them won't tell you nika. Them want to turn your teacher before you hammer.
Genetics and the biotechnology use of this prokaryotic genetics, the use of this.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
So this is Cambridge train station. This is the old ticket office. and the spots where you can buy drinks and stuff, caravans. But I think they've closed. Actually it's 6:30 now. I'm done with the library and I'm going to work. I'm on a night shift. So this is how Cambridge, the front of Cambridge train station actually looks like. So this is the entrance. You check your departures. Have a shop here. You have your arrivals and departures. So if you want to get a ticket, I've gotten my ticket online, but in case you want to get a ticket, this is the ticket office. If you want some drinks here, so you tap in and you pass. Yeah. So this is basically the main train track. So you just go to your platform and wait for your train, or you go up